Hi everyone, Ana Paula Hurtado here. We met last week in the WFA Talk session on Power BI. In that session, we covered the business intelligence workflow, along with pro tips for creating dynamic, interactive BI reports and dashboards in Power BI desktop application. Today, in this video, we will look at the different install options for Power BI desktop. As you know, Power BI desktop application is a full-stack business intelligence platform designed for self-service data preparation, analysis, visualization, and report administration. There are two options for the World Bank accounts to install Power BI desktop. The first, and the one I recommend, is to install the software from your Microsoft 365 account. So for example, if you are on Yammer, or if you are on OneDrive or on any other Microsoft application, you will notice this icon. So you click here to open the pane, and immediately you're going to notice the Power BI application. So if you hit on that option, you're going to go to the Power BI home, and next to your profile picture you have the three dots. Select that. On the menu, you can see the download option and select Power BI Desktop. Another option is to type Power BI on the browser. And the same, you go to the Power BI home, next to your profile picture, you have the three dots. On the menu, download Power BI Desktop. The benefit of downloading the application from directly from the Microsoft 365 account is that this option gives you or it will automatically update your Power BI desktop application every month. So you're gonna stay up to date with the latest version of Power BI desktop without having to worry about it. The second option is to install the Power BI desktop application via Software Center. For this, simply type here Software Center. The Software Center window is gonna open, and here on the search box you can type Power BI. Here you have the application, select this. You have description about this application, this software, also some requirements. Note that doesn't require IT system help. And also the last time this software was modified was in December 2021. So you click on install, and the application, the software is gonna download on your session. Finally, I also want to recommend you to bookmark the Power BI home intranet or help intranet, and this will keep you informed about the latest development on Power BI for the bank. Also, this site provides wonderful resources such as the learning paths and the frequently asked questions. Good. I would love to know if you like this video. Hit the thumbs up button, smash it if you decided, and thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the following videos. Bye.